Okay, here's another, find the polynomial that has certain zeros. But if I'm looking at this list here, right, then I'm missing a zero that I have to fill in. What is it? 1 minus I root 2, right? Because there's one imaginary number, you have to put in the conjugate. Right? So that is 1 minus I root 2. Okay, now, what are the factors? What factor goes with a 0 of 0? Yeah, this is going to be an x, and that's going to be an x. So we actually have an x squared that comes out of that. We can use that at the very end. We'll just multiply everything by x squared. Okay, what about this 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 1 plus I root 2 times x minus 1 minus I root 2. Always x minus, right? That doesn't change. The conjugate changes, but the sign in front is always x minus, right? And we should write this now. Distribute the minus. That's x minus 1 minus I root 2 times x minus 1 plus I root 2. So now we can use our 3 by 3 grid to do this part. So this will be, come on. X minus 1 minus I root 2. X minus 1 plus I root 2. And this time I'm going to take advantage of the fact that these cancel. There's no point me making those terms if they cancel each other out. Let's do all the rest of them. X squared minus x plus 1. And the last one, what is negative I root 2 times positive I root 2? The root 2 times root 2 is 2. The negative I times positive I is negative I squared, which is 1. So it's actually plus 2. Right? And then, so we combine like terms, x squared minus 2x, and we have 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, now we have to do one more, well, actually 2 more multiplications, but the last one's simple. Right? How are we going to multiply x squared minus 2x plus 3 times x minus 4? Do another table, right? It'll be a little smaller because we only have 2 terms in this one, x minus 4. And now we've got x squared minus 2x plus 3. So multiply those two together. X to the third minus 2x squared plus 3x, negative 4x squared plus 8x minus 12. Combine like terms. Here we go. X to the third minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 12. Okay, we're not done yet. What else do we have to multiply by? The x squared, right? So as a last step, we will multiply by x squared. X to the fifth minus 6x to the fourth plus 11x to the third minus 12x squared. A lot of work.